If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Sunday, 21st day of July 2024 was a historic day for Catholic faithfuls in Onitsha Archdiocese as a parish priest and parishioners of Our Lady of Assumption Catholic Church, Ogidi, played host to the former bishop of the Onitsha Archdiocese and a great patriarch of the Catholic Church, His Eminence, Cardinal Francis Arinze, who once visited the parish in 1945 as Archbishop of Onitsha Diocese in the days of Father Iwenatans of blessed memory as a parish priest.
Special visit, I call it, to visit Our Lady of Assumption Parish, Ogidi. His presence here today is a huge blessing. He has touched many lives positively. Whenever you see the bishop or cardinal, you see the church.
The colorful event also witnessed the presentation of a new church building and the father's house to the parish priests and the parishioners of Our Lady of Assumption Catholic Church, Ogidi, by High Chief Engineer EMEKA Nwabueze, which will be officially dedicated and declared open by the Archbishop of Onitsha Diocese, Valerian Okeke, in September.
So one of our outstations, St. Peter's Ogidi, one of philanthropists of this great community, Ogidi, and the Prime Minister, High Chief Engineer Nwabueze, Ogidi, single-handedly built a church for the outstation, built Father's house. Today, he presented the church to the parishioners. In September this year, the Archbishop will come for the official opening of that new church.
The special visitor, His Eminence Cardinal Francis Arinze, whose message during the Mass impacted so many people who came out at Mass to welcome him, called on the people, most especially the youth, to desist from idol worship. While he appreciated the traditional Prime Minister of Ogidi community, High Chief Engineer EMEKA Nwabueze, and the Igwe of the community, Igwe Pharmacies, Alex Onyido, Ezeshuamaha, for their selfless contributions in Our Lady of Assumption Parish. He also pointed out the importance of the church and the key figures of the church who are Nigerians.
Oge anyị nọ na Mass, ekwutara m sị na Chukwu agọzika obodo anyị. Ọ dị mkpa ka onye ọbụla bụ onye be anyị mmadụ na ọ bụrụ obere ife bụ ụka ewetala anyị n'oge Fada Notes na Bishop Shanahan, Archbishop Hiri, na nke kasị na Blessed Cyprian Michael Iwenetans. Ekenere m Igwe Onyido, kene Injinia EMEKA Nwabueze, mbọ niile ọ gbara maka sekọndịrị skuul. Ọ bụ ife mara mma weta ife n'onye ji ọrụ nne na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ gọzie ya. Ebe niile o tinyere ego ka Chukwu tinyechikwara ya ịtọ ndị Naịjirịa. Abes bụ onye bụ onye isi monasịrị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Benedictine. O wee bụ na ofu onye n'ime ha bụ onye Ogidi. Sista ha Mother Corpus Christi Beluchi. Ọzọ Chukwu nyere obodo anyị ndị nọchiri anya Pope, Apostolic Nuncio, Ambassador Pope, ha na-abụ Archbishop mgbe niile. Ndị Naịjirịa rugoro etu a dị ịtọ. Ofu n'ime ha bụ Jude Okolo, Archbishop onye ọzọ. Ọ bụ ambassador Pope na Ireland, Arinze.
With testimonies of the impact and transformation caused by the presence of Cardinal Francis Arinze on the people of OGIDI community, the parish priest of Our Lady of Assumption Catholic Church OGIDI, Reverend Father Dr. Aloysius Agba, maintained the message of Cardinal Francis Arinze, calling on Igbo people to be conscious of their faith in God and the church, as he affirmed that Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life.
My message is not different from the one they received in the church from the Cardinal, for them to hold tenaciously their faith in God, their faith in Jesus Christ, their faith in this church, that God can never disappoint them. Let nothing, especially the situation of things in Nigeria, lead them to begin to deviate from their original focus. So I'm encouraging everybody, all our parishioners, both those at home, those living anywhere in part of the world, to hold tenaciously to their faith, to Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life.
From Our Lady of Assumption Catholic Church OGIDI, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie, exam the first. Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.